Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will present my thesis proposal in the title Analysis of Derivational Morpheme in the Lyric of Sabrina Carpenter album. Research background, analyzing songs lyric has become a common method for understanding how language works in everyday life. Sabrina Carpenter album Email I Can Sense FYD has gotten a lot of notice. This album features emotive songs about personal experience, relationship, and self-improvement. Songs like Feathers, Nonsense, and Because I Like a Boy have gone viral on social media platforms such as TikTok and YouTube, so many listeners are familiar with the lyric. Morphology is the study of word structure by Katamba 1993. Morphemes are the smallest unit in the word that correlate with different in meaning or grammatical structure by Katamba 1993. Free morpheme divided into two main categories, namely lexical and function word. Bound morpheme divided into two main categories, namely inflectional morpheme and derivational morpheme. Morpheme can be found in poem, songs lyric, novel, and movie. Main focus to analyze derivational morpheme in the lyric of Sabrina Carpenter album. The first previous study is analysis of derivational affixes in songs by Siregar and Siregar 2021. They were derivational prefix and suffix. The theory used was from Edward. The researcher did library research to expand the theory. The second is analysis of derivational and inflectional morpheme in the lyric of Callum Scott songs in the album of Bridges by Thorwan 2023. The theory used was from Lieber and Finnegan. The researcher used qualitative method. The researcher seeks the information from article, journal, book, and internet. The third is derivational and inflectional on Selena Gomez songs in Revival album by Halawa 2021. The theory used was from Lieber and Finnegan. The researcher used descriptive qualitative method. Research gap. The researcher used the theory from Francis Katamba 1993 and Edward Finnegan 2008, object of Sabrina Carpenter album. Research question. The first, what are the derivational morpheme found in the lyric of Sabrina Carpenter album? The second, how do derivational morpheme affect the meaning and word class Sabrina Carpenter album? Research objective. The first, to identify derivational morpheme found in the lyric Sabrina Carpenter album. The second is to identify derivational morpheme affect the meaning and word class in Sabrina Carpenter album. Scope of discussion. This research focused on derivational morpheme in Sabrina Carpenter album. This study especially discussed derivational morpheme categories as bound morpheme and free morpheme and inflectional morpheme are not included. This study used theory from Francis Katamba 1993 and Edward Finnegan 2008. Sabrina Carpenter album Email I Can Send FYD. There are 16 songs that those are Email I Can Send, Faces Read Your Mind, Tornado Warning, Because I Like a Boy, Already Over, How Many Things, Bitch You Wanna, Fast Time, Skinny Dapping, Bad for Business, Decode, Opposite, Features, Lansams, Things I Wish You Said. Significance of research. This study helped the reader to understand how do derivational morpheme are used to produce new words, especially in songs lyric. The research can contribute to linguistic theory, particularly in morphology. It may be useful for students, lecturers, and researchers. This study can serve as reference for future research and can also support language teaching and the development of educational material. Research method. The research design is qualitative. The data source use Sabrina Carpenter album Email I Can Send FID. The research data use derivational morpheme found in the lyric of Sabrina Carpenter album. research instrument. The first is collecting, the second is choosing, the third is analyzing, the fourth is understanding the data. Data collections, reading the lyric of the select songs lyric from Spotify to identify derivational morpheme, highlight and noting the derivational morpheme to identify affixes like prefix, suffix, and infix, analyzing the derivational morpheme to identify the word class and change the meaning. Technique of data analysis use Francesca Tamba in Finnegan theory to identify affixes and meaning. Data analysis method use Miles and Huberman. Finally, the conclusion after examining and analyzing the derivational morpheme found in the lyric of Sabrina Carpenter album. Research finding and discussions. Derivational morpheme found in the song Email I Can Send, Phones 3, Vicious, Phones 5, Reach Your Mind, Phones 3, Tornado Warning, Phones 6, Because I Like a Boy, Phones 3, Already Over, Phones 1, How Many Things, Phones 1, Michiwana, Phones 2, Nonsense, 0, Fast Times, Phones 2, Skinny Dapping, Phones 2, Bad for Business, Phones 1, Decode Fonts 4, Opposite Font 0, Features Font 0, Lansan Fonts 1, Think I Wish You Said Fonts 2, Total 36. Research finding and discussing. In this line, the datum found in the word really, the root is real and add by suffix "ly" as derivational morpheme. The suffix "ly" convert the word class from an adjective real to an adverb really, meaning of the root real is actually existing or happening and not imagined or pretends. After the addition of suffix "ly", the meaning changes into used to say what is actually the fact or the truth about something. Research finding and discussion. The finding of this research showed that Sabrina Carpenter album Email I Can Sense containing 36 derivational morpheme which consists of 8 derivational prefix and 28 derivational suffix. The dominance of suffix indicated that English songs tend to rely more on suffixations to adjust word class and meaning. When compared with the previous study, this research, unlike the earlier finding which also reported that derivational suffix are more dominant than prefix in the song's lyric. Siregar and Siregar 2021 found that suffix such as ness, Lee and full appeared more often than prefix in Haris Jang Salam album. Similarly, Halawa 2021 discovered that Selena Gomez revival album also used more suffixes like Lee, Eon, At, and R, with prefix appearing far less frequently. Meanwhile, the study by Thorwan 2023, which analyzed both derivational and inflectional morpheme in Callum Scott Songs Bridges album, also show a large variety of suffixes, reinforcing the idea that suffixes is dominant morphological process in English songs lyric, although Thorwan focused more on combination of derivational and inflectional morpheme. Conclusion: the ability of derivational morpheme is to generate new words, improve sentence structure, and clarify meaning, make them crucial in songs lyric. Additionally, they demonstrate how language history continues to impact contemporary music and appreciates lyric more. Suggestions: the first is for student and reader this research, the second is for future research, the third is for English teachers. Thank you.